Welcome to Magic Maths. Today we are going to learn which of the sequences are AP. Here 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 is the given sequence. T1 is equal to 8, T2 is equal to 10, T3 is equal to 12, T4 is equal to 14. Now T2 minus T1 is equal to 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Then T3 minus T2 is equal to 12 minus 10 is equal to 2, and T4 minus T3 is equal to 14 minus 12 is equal to also 2. Therefore, D is equal to 2. Here, difference is same. Here, if difference between two consecutive term is constant, then if given sequence 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 is an AP. As usual, we create here. Click on the next example to create a new example button. Click on new example. We will get new example to solve. See, here is 15, 25, 40, 57, 55 in this sequence. First T1 is equal to 15, T2 is equal to 25, T3 is equal to 40 and T4 is equal to 57. T2 minus T1 is equal to 25 minus 15 is equal to 10, and T3 minus T2 is equal to 33 minus 24 is equal to 9, and T4 minus T3 is equal to 40 minus 25 is equal to 15. Therefore, D is not same or constant. Here, if difference between two consecutive term is not constant, therefore, given sequence 15, 25, 40, 57, 55 is not an AP. In this way, with the help of this new example button, you can get too many examples to solve and you can practice with this. This link is given in the description box. So, please go to description box and click on the link. You will get too many examples to practice. Thank you. Today we are going to find the first term and common difference for each of the AP. Given AP is 105, 97, 89, 81, 73, 65, 57, so on. Therefore, A is equal to T1 is equal to 105. Means first term is 105. Second term T2 is equal to 97. Third term T3 is equal to 89. And T4 is equal to 81. Therefore, difference is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to T2's value 97 minus 105, T1 values 97 minus 105 is equal to minus 8. D is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to 89 minus 97. Values of T3 minus values of T2. 89 minus 97 is equal to minus 8. Therefore, D is equal to minus 8. In this way, we find the first term, that is A is equal to T1 105, and the difference for each of the AP. Common difference is minus 8. Here we created next example button. With the help of this next example button, we can create too many examples to practice. Let's see. I click on the next example button. We will get next given AP. With the help of this example button, we can practice. Link is given in the description box. So go to description box and click on the link. Thank you. Magic Maths. Today we are going to learn how to solve worksheet with the help of this video. First, here is a question. Write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D. A is equal to 5, D is equal to 4. Means first term A is equal to 5 and common difference D is 4. Here AP is, this is brackets, there are 5 terms. We will try to solve this AP. First term is A, which is 5. I written. Let's see it's correct or not. Yes, it's correct. Then second term difference is 4. So second term is 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Yes, it's correct. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Let's see. Yes, it's correct. Then 13 is equal to 4. It's become 17. Yes, it's correct. And 17 plus 4 is equal to 21. Let's see it's correct or not. Yes, it's correct. If answer is correct, you will get correct sign. Here is answer key is given. Let's see. 5, 9, 13, 17, 21. Yes, same. Answer key and our answers are same. That means we solve correctly. In this way, you can solve too many examples with the help of this worksheet. Click on new example to change new example. Click on new example. You will get New example. Here is A is 130 and D is equal to 23. With the help of this, you can write the answers in this box. If you write correct answer, then here appear correct sign. And if you cannot solve correct answer, if you cannot write correct answer, then here triangle buttons remains as it is. If you write correct answer, then it will change and it will give correct sign. It's wrong answer, so it's try again remain as it is. I written 153, then this back box shows correct sign. If I write correct answer, it shows correct sign. And if you write wrong answer, the triangle buttons remains as it is. In this way, you can solve too many examples with these new example buttons. You can create too many questions to solve. This link is given in the description box. So go to description box and you will get this link, and with this link you can solve many examples. Thank you. Today we are going to learn how to find first term and common difference of an AP R6 and 3 respectively. Then find S27. Here A is equal to 6 and D is equal to 3 is given. Then find S27. So we take a formula of Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2n plus in bracket n minus 1 D. S27, putting the values in the formula. S27 is equal to 27 divided by 2 in bracket 2 into 27 plus 27 minus 1 into 3. Therefore, S27 is equal to 27 divided by 2 in bracket 27 into 2 54 plus 27 minus 1 into 3 bracket. Then therefore S27 is equal to 13.5 in bracket 54 plus 27 minus 1 is equal to 27 into 3. Therefore S27 is equal to 13.5 in bracket 54 plus 78 because 27 into 3 is equal to 78. Therefore S27 is equal to 13.5 in bracket 54 plus 78 because 26 into 3 is equal to 78. Therefore S27 is equal to 13.5 into 54 plus 78 is equal to 132. Therefore S27 is equal to 13.5 into 132. We will get 1782. Click on new exercise to create a new exercise. You can practice with this button, new exercise. Just click on new exercise. You will get new exercise for practice. See, just click on new exercise button. You will get new exercise for practice, and you can find the answers with this practice button. Link is given in description box. So with the help of this button you can practice more. Welcome to Magic Maths. Today we are going to find the sum of first and odd natural numbers. First and odd natural numbers are 1, 3, 5, 13. Here A is equal to 1, D is equal to 2 and term is equal to 13. T1 is equal to 1, Tn is equal to 13. Of Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. Putting the values, 13 is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into 2 and 13 minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. Therefore 13 minus 1 12 is equal to n minus 1 into 2, and you will get 12 divided by 2 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore 6 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore n is equal to 7. To find the sum of first 7 numbers, Sn is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 13 serially. Therefore formula of Sn is equal to n square. Formula for n odd numbers, putting the values as 7 is equal to 7 square. Therefore you know the square of 7, so 49. Therefore S7 is equal to 49. Click on the new example to change new example. We will get new example. Just click and let's see what happened. A is equal to 1, D is equal to 2 and term is equal to 39. T1 is equal to 1, Tn is equal to 39. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore 39 is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. 39 minus 1 n minus 1 2. Therefore 38 is equal to n minus 1 2. 38 divided by 2 and n minus 1 1. Therefore, 19 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 20. Sn is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 39. Therefore, Sn is equal to n square, formula for n odd numbers. Therefore, S20 is equal to 20 square. Therefore, S20 is equal to 400. You know the square of 20. Square of 20 is 400. So, S20 is 400. In this way, you can practice lots of examples. Link is given in the description box. Thank you to Magic Maths. Today we are going to find an AP. 19th term is 52 and 18th term is 128. Find sum of first 56 terms. Let's see how to find. 19th term is equal to 52 and 38th term is equal to 128. Therefore, 19 is equal to A plus in bracket 19 minus 1 into D. A plus 19 minus 1 bracket into D is equal to 52 because it's given 19 term is 52. Then A plus 18D is equal to 52 and here 38 term is equal to A plus 38 minus 1 into D. Same way A plus in bracket 38 minus 1 bracket D is equal to 128 because 38th term is equal to 128. By solving A plus 37D is equal to 128, we will get two equations. We return second equation first and first equation to the second. Then sign will change because here we are subtracting. A minus A is equal to 0 and 37 minus 18 is equal to 19D and 128 minus 52 we will get 76. Therefore, D is equal to 76 by 19. Therefore, D is equal to 4. Now, putting the value of D in equation 1. What happened? A plus 18 into 4 is equal to 52 and 18 multiplied by 4 will get 72. Therefore, A plus 72 is equal to 52 and therefore A is equal to 52 minus 72. Therefore, A is equal to minus 20. Then find the sum of first 56 terms. So, we take the equation of Sn n by 2 to A plus n minus 1D and then putting the values of A and value of D. By solving, S56 is equal to 56 divided by 2 in bracket 2 into minus 20 plus 56 minus 1 into 4. By solving, 56 divided by 2 is equal to get 28 and 2 into minus 20 is equal to minus 40 and 56 minus 1 is equal to 55 into 4. Then therefore S56 is equal to 28 into minus 40 plus 55 into 4 will get to 20. Then therefore S56 is equal to 28 into 180 because minus 40 plus 220 is equal to 180. Therefore multiplication of 28 and 180 is equal to 5040. Therefore S56 is equal to 5040. Finally we find the sum of first 56 terms. In this way we can solve many examples. To solve many examples, just click on next example. To change new example, link is given in the description box. Just click on next example. You will get many examples and you can complete the following activity to find the sum of natural numbers between 1 and 140 divisible by 4. Let's see. Between 1 and 140 natural numbers divisible by 4. Flowing chart. According to flowing chart, 4, 8, 12 and 10, 136. How many numbers? N is equal to, we don't know, N is equal to, A is equal to and D is equal to, we have to fill the bracket. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D is given. 136 is equal to bracket. Formula is given. Incomplete formula is given. and Sn formula is given. Sum of numbers from 1 to 40 which are divisible by 4. We have to fill the brackets by solving. This is the activity. This is the activity based question. So we have to find the answer and we have to fill the brackets correct. Let's try to solve it. Here n should we find out. So first which answer is we can write easily. A we can write. So I am writing A. A is equal to 4. Let's see what happened. 4. Oh yes, it's correct. If I write a correct answer, it's give me a sign of correct. So let's fill in D. D. Oh, it's also correct. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Formula is given. So Tn is equal to 136. That means here we have to write A. A is equal to 4. So I written 4. Oh, it's also correct. Here we can find the n by filling the given information, that is Tn, A and D is given, so we can find the n. I find n by solving 34. It's a 34. Correct. It's a 34. Correct. So n is 34. Sn. Here Sn formula is given. So I can write n numbers 34. Here also n 34. We can find the S34 with the help of this equation. Here we get 140. Yes, it's correct. 140. If you write correct answer, you will get here correct. Here is answer key. Let's see. Finally, we can check all our answer. With the help of answer key, you can find the answers. What is the correct answers of these brackets having. Just click on new example. You will get new example. With the help of this example button, you can practice with too many examples and you will become experts. So the link is given in description box. Please go to the description and click on the link. You will get practice sheet. With the help of this practice sheet, you can practice. Thank you.